Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which you can use with any fish you like. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, we'll need to cut 3 onions. Then I'm using 2 pieces of fish and cutting them in circles. After, I'm doing the marinade. First of all, you'll need 3 tablespoons of yogurt, half a tablespoon of salt, and a tablespoon of mustard, and a tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix it all very well. After, you'll have to put the onions in a bowl and the fish, and put the marinade and mix it all around. Then leave it for about 1 hour. Add some oil into the pan and then you can add the onions, and after, when the base is set, you can put the fish on top. After, put it into the oven in 170 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. After, when it's all done, you can plate it and start digging in because it's super delicious and really easy to make. If you like this recipe, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching this video.